Sexual attraction is influenced by a complex interplay of biological, psychological, and social factors. It can vary widely among individuals and can change over time. Factors such as adrenaline, natural sense, hormones, and neurotransmitters play roles in physical attraction, while psychological aspects like mood, shared values, and attachment styles also shape feelings of desire. Additionally, social influences such as cultural preferences, personal experiences, and even alcohol consumption can affect who we find attractive. Interestingly, pheromones, chemical signals that humans release, may also play a role in attraction, despite our ability to detect them being less pronounced than in other species. Ultimately, understanding sexual attraction is a nuanced and deeply personal exploration that reflects individual experiences and preferences.